There's a lot in the news these days about human trafficking and modern slavery. Stories about people who are locked up and forced to work, about people who are unfree. Mostly, we see these cases as different and outside the ordinary state of affairs. But here's a thought. What if we're all more or less unfree, and what people call modern slavery is no more than the extreme end of a spectrum that all of us are on? While most of us have to take a job to avoid homelessness or hunger, some of us have more choice about what we do than others. Many will only ever get jobs with awful working conditions and terrible pay. Some are stuck on the treadmill, and some are able to get good work. So who on this spectrum is free? Only those with enough money to walk away from jobs they don't want. Freedom is the power to say, no, this doesn't work for me, and to do so without inviting disaster. Only the wealthy have the power to say no like this, and until we all have it, we'll always have people taking difficult, dangerous, and exploitative jobs to avoid greater suffering. This is why policies targeting modern slavery aren't working. They waste money because they aren't trying to make it possible for people to stop accepting bad jobs. So how can we do that? One powerful idea is universal basic income, where everyone receives a small but sufficient income with no strings attached. Even a small amount of cash will give people more power over their personal lives and in the labor market. Combined with good public services, UBI could be the foundation of a better, freer future for all of us. Universal basic income, the power to say no, for everyone.